Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Cadillac SRX Luxury. This one's black. Underneath it, it's a 3.6 V6 pushing out 308 horsepower and 256 pounds of torque. Four wheels, we've got 18-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior with a wood trim, panorama sunroof, come around back, XR4, all-wheel drive, 3.6 badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, keyless entry, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, push-start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Cadillac has 73,196 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Cadillac SRX Luxury, check out feldmanimports.com.